we are going over star anise, what it is, how to use this beautiful spice, and what are some great health benefits associated with star anise. Now, star anise is also referred to as Illicium verum. It is this beautiful star-shaped spice that has a very distinct licorice smell and taste to it. It comes from the dried fruit of the evergreen tree, and it's commonly used in cooking and herbal teas. Star anise is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals needed for optimal health. Vitamins such as vitamin B1 called thiamine, great for nerve, heart, and muscle function. Vitamin B2 called Riboflavin, great for energy and just overall health. Vitamin B3 called Niacin, which helps to lower cholesterol. Vitamin B6 called Pyridoxine, which helps to alleviate that nausea and vomiting feeling. Now, star anise also has essential minerals needed for optimal health, such as calcium, magnesium, and copper, all of which are great for bone health, and also iron, great for those that are iron deficient. Star anise also has antioxidants. It also has antiviral and antibacterial properties. Now, as a matter of fact, in the most recent article in the Journal of Medicine, which I'll list down under this video for your reference, states that star anise has an active compound called shikimic acid, which is the active ingredient used to make Tamiflu. Now, as you recall, Tamiflu or Oseltamivir is an antiviral medication used to help prevent and treat the flu. Now, there's a huge list of health benefits of star anise, but some of which regulates blood sugar levels. It helps to regulate the menstrual cycle, aids in digestion, also helps to lower cholesterol and improve sleep. So how do you use star anise? Go ahead and take about 2 to 3 star anise pods, add it into boiling water. Let that solution simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can go ahead and strain the pods or pour the entire solution into your drinking cup and enjoy star anise as a tea. You can add your favorite honey or simply enjoy it as it is. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoy this video on star anise and you definitely incorporate it into your diet and lifestyle and reap its full benefits. Please let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.